anebihingwa ebo yino mwani sente zeko mu kushoma utashomere hatigarana no kutoba ebera yifate tashoba ebera muningo musinge orugabo murike wanabe education is so good wanabe education is so good asaka education is so good Senior 4. Senior 2. Kushoto Jauka. Senior 4. Kushoto Jauka. Senior 5. Senior 5. Nyuma Jauka. Face this side, in other words. Senior 5, in other words.
Okay, good morning once again. One of the complaints is that all of us do not get a chance to be near the band. So what we are going to do, when the band leads and reaches at the petrol station, they are going to get into the petrol station. But those who are leading will continue, okay? So that each one of us will get an opportunity to listen and to dance near, to march near the band, okay? So.
Good job.
And all those that have been mentioned that have supported us, members of staff, the band who are our friends, ladies and gentlemen, students, ladies and gentlemen, today we are happy in Kashaka for very many things. One, for celebrating and joining the whole women folk to celebrate Women's Day. A day that we celebrate greatly here in Kashaka, and I had talked about it in the morning. Two, for running to contribute today as we celebrate Women's Day. We thought we should support a group of vulnerable children who are suffering from cancer. Members, visitors, we have our own girl here who has her own sister that is also admitted in Mbarara. So as we run around, we are not only running for people we don't know, but we're also running for our own. And we also are celebrating results. We did well and very well, and we are very grateful to God. So join us. And so I don't want to give a lot of speech, because there are so many people here that can talk. And one of them that I'm going to invite is Mr. Kachaina. I've not only invited him as a comedian, but he has a story. Unfortunately, he's not a lady, but I'm very convinced that if the girls here would listen to a sample, I know he's not going to tell us the whole story, but if he would tell us what he has gone through, it would be an encouragement for us that any person can make it. So before I go very far, let me ask Mr. Kachaina to come and carry us through his story. You're welcome.
Kashaka staff, Kashaka, students of Kashaka Girls SS, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Valentine Kachaina. I work with Vision Group. I work on Radio West and on TV West. But I'm also a new appointed ambassador of Victoria University Western Region. I want to take this opportunity to thank Kashaka students and Kashaka administration for inviting me today. You can clap for yourselves. I thank God for today, that God can, through this school, can invite me to talk before this big congregation. My being here, you can enjoy part of me being a comedian, but mostly, and we shifted or migrated to Mubende, where I studied only one term. I became the first And because we went to Mubende, I was studying with Baganda, so some rumors came in buzz where they told my dad that this son of yours, who is just winning us, the Baganda are going to bewitch him. It was a major reason why my dad put me out of school. 1990, when I was in P3, when I was 10 years. And I started trading chicken at age of 10. Until 1997, I'm not a politician, but I want you to help me. We thank government for introducing UPE. Had it not been UPE, I would still be deep in the village. So due to introduction of UPE, I again went back to school, the same class after 7 years. I went to Manyogaseka Primary School. I was entertainment prefect. I became the head boy, and I was not studying daily. So I could study Monday, Tuesday I go and buy my chicken, Wednesday I come to school, Thursday I go to market, Friday I come back to school. But I managed. You know, when you become a leader in school, somehow also it distracts you. But they refused, they rejected that. They wanted me to be their head prefect. And I'm not available daily, but I managed to perform and got 14 aggregates, which is a super second grade. Immediately I joined Karamba Hill SS, where I was a photographer and a head prefect. I joined in 2002. I finished S4 in 2005. I was still continuing trading my chicken, and I managed to score 31 points. In 2006, I never went to any school. I applied for plumbing. I did an interview. I passed it, but I never went to school. I had come in Ushenyi to bury someone. I came with my camera. When I reached here, I found that in Ankole the camera is a profitable business. So I never went back to school. I started a business of being a cameraman in Western region. But during the time when I was trading my chicken in Kampala, I used to go to bars where I used to see boys or men putting on like women, dressing like women. Then they start miming karaoke songs. So when I was in Imbarara in Ushenyi in 2007, Judith Babige introduced a song called Vera Nangi, and David Lutaro introduced a song called Kapapa. I hired some dresses in Bugonja at Paradise Bar. I started going in party as a cameraman, but I could give them a bonus of miming those two songs. It was from there that I started becoming a serious comedian. That was 2017. I later joined the BFM. Then when they were starting a TV, they also called me. I was the first person to appear on TV West. I struggled until 2016, when I had bought a car. I had a plot, I had a wife, I had children. I was also entering my house in Katete, but I told people that all my desires are now done. What I feel, the demand that I have is to go back to school. My fellow Kashaka girls, Kachaina, joined welding school. After 12 years, I've said I finished O-level in 2005. I'm joining A-level in 2017. When I started at Weldon, they employed me more on TV West. They added me a program called Dominene Sales, which was good, but it was reducing my time for books. But I could not hesitate, so I started struggling with A-level. People could write, they finish, they leave me in a class, because I was not used to write. So I finished my A-level, and I managed to score 11. My combination was here, history, entrepreneurship, and art. I passed them all very well. I was stroking ICT. That is one of the persons I studied with, Mr. Baram. From senior 6, I joined immediately Bishop Stuart University as the first student to decide to offer journalism and mass communication. I was joined by other 65 members. We struggled. I was the only person studying with them but working. They could fail many things financially, but I could be able to finance a little that I could to graduate only 15 students, and I was the best among them. I got my second class up with that struggle. When I went to A-level in Weldon, I composed a song, Twongyere Aksuhoma, which I want the DJ to play for us, and you see whether you can pick something. I've struggled with these books. I've struggled. I was playing myself. My dad was a disabled person. He has just died. Education is so good. It is so Twongyere Aksuhoma. Umwari wagereka Twongyere Aksuhoma. Manyese Kashaka. Wabatashomileka nebanoza kutoba mwishuri. Twongyere Aksuhoma. Umwari wagereka Twongyere Aksuhoma. Manyese Kashaka. Wabatashomileka nebanoza kutoba mwishuri. Shemeso wawe no wananka. Ocherechera nyingi tomanye kuyamba. Wabano basano bayamba. Banyabuzane nangwa no bakubaneimba. Urushe Obama kakejeka America. Okusoma kanikwe kwa mutwira America.
Cancer run in the morning to help the children in hospitals who are suffering from cancer. Now, my duty here is to read those who excelled. Madam Head Teacher, bring. The one who got number 10, who came in 10th, Ayebare Precious Senior 2K. Please,
Ayebare, can you hurry up?
Please hurry up. Already,
just like the way you ran.
Already you know the number you got from 10. So, in addition, we have Kemicha Masi as you are coming. Well done, Kemicha Masi, Senior 3K. Congratulations, thank you so much for participating. We have Ampere Ruth, Senior 3M. Well done, congratulations. Thank you for running. Asimwe Elizabeth in the 7th position, Senior 2S.
Girls, let's keep clapping for them. Congratulations,
please
Elizabeth.
Hurry up. Amotile Monique in the 6th position.
Thank you.
Monique, Senior 3G.
Well done, Monique.
Well done.
And please, members, let's keep clapping for them as they come.
Number in the sons.
Thanks very much, Lions from Barra, from Shema, from everywhere. We appreciate PAI Ambassador Simon is in the house to witness the day. Thanks very much, teachers. And this time around, after crowning the first or the winner, the first runners up and the second runners up, they are receiving their gifts in addition. You know, like our chief runner said, garbage in, garbage out. Work hard or hard work pays. Guys, you can't see, I know, because of the media, but you wait for this from TV West tomorrow, okay? TV West gonna bring this live, and Bukele TV and all other vision groups. Monitors of this. I ask us, please join them for the group photo right now.
You can stay here and cook for us. Get married. Get married. Get married. Please. No, get married. I don't need you here.
You will have to go to school. My daughter cannot say to go to school. I never studied personally. Where will she go? How will she survive in this world? No, not again. But at least this is the little I could get. She should allow you in class and at least study.
Yes, my dear. How are you? You're okay? Okay. Right now, I want to talk to your mother.
Hello, madam.
Hello.
Please, may you come in my office right now? I want to talk to you.
Why to the office?
Because
my daughter going.
your daughter is not doing well, so I need to let you know.
I need to come right
So please come.
Let me come. I have to.
Okay, sorry. Calm down, mommy. Mommy, calm down. Okay, the fact is, I've called you here because we found your daughter pregnant.
I told you not to take her. These are the reasons. Why me now? This part, another part too. Oh my Jesus Christ! I never knew what to do. Another part too.
You have been the only eye of my life. You have been the only person I was looking up to. Why now today? What? Why do this to me? And God knew where I came from. You knew where I was going. Why didn't you tell me, Ali? Why didn't you tell me to stop it? Why? Why insist and then lose it all? Oh no.
We are so much grateful today that our mothers have gone through all this to push us up to where we are now. We are so happy we got a chance to step into the gates of Kashaka girls. And all I want my fellow girls to know is you are here for a purpose. Someone behind you is going through what you do not know. And all we encourage you is that use the little you have. Do not think about what is happening home, how you have either suffered with your parents, your dad and mom. We do not know what takes place in those bedrooms they reside, but this is exactly what happens. They at times fight about it. They at times feel like you shouldn't go back. Maybe you are not doing well in class. maybe the pockets are not enough for you to go to school. All we want you to know is that your parents love you, and with the little you have and the little they have given you, we just want you to utilize that and then make it a point in your mind that you must succeed, for no one was born a failure, and you can do it as long as you have a positive mind about it. Be blessed.
My name is Adele Briska, and for me, I have few words for you, my fellow girls. You see, in this world, when you're seeing people becoming successful in life, it's not like they got it from a silver plate, but they got it through endurance. They persevered everything. So, my fellow sisters, let us endure and become successful in future. Thank you.
Can we thank them so much? I think the message has been very clear. You know what your mothers go through. And I told you the story of